always forget it.
Hey, what are you doing, Dad?
What you do, Dad?
Did you get a boo-boo? What happened? What happened?
Well, water.
Huh?
Well, water.
You want a bottle of water?
Okay.
No, what do you want?
Well, water.
You do want water?
Okay.
But what happened? What did you do?
I'm picking.
A plate. What? What happened? You fall down?
Is
On where?
guide.
Sidewalk?
Yes.
Did you see it happen?
I walk.
You fall down and you got a boo-boo?
Yes.
Will you be okay?
Yes.
You want me to take you to the doctor?
Nope.
What?
Nope.
You don't want to go to the doctor? You want to see the doctor again?
Nope.
You sure?
Nope.
No? You're going to be okay?
Nope.
You're going to be okay?
Yes. Nope.
Okay. Are you sure?
Nope.
You're not sure if you're okay?
No. He's fine.
Do you want to see the doctor?
Nope.
Are you going to be okay?
No.
Are you okay?
Nope.
Are you sick?
Yes.
Oh, poor
stop
thing.
it up.
Poor thing. I love you.
Love you too.
Give me a kiss. Nana gotta go on a plane.
Okay. Okay.
I love you.
I'll go plane.
I would love to, but I can't take you.
Then take me instead.
You get a ticket and come see me.
I don't feel comfortable with people watching me.
It's 3 hours. Nobody's gonna do anything for 3 hours. All kinds of flight attendants.
That's 120 minutes, BTW.
Say goodbye.
Bye. Interesting factoid about 3 minutes. 3 hours is actually 120 minutes. So the scientific explanation is
Very